Hi everyone, in this video I will be explaining you the various types of copy and paste options available in Microsoft Excel, right? So these are the paste options when available when you copy a cell and go to the home tab and just click this down arrow. So these are the various paste options available which has been listed here. So first one is paste. This will paste everything including the number format and the cell format. So if I have a border here, I have bolded it, the same will be pasted here. So it pastes everything. Formulas will paste only the formula available in this cell. So if you copy this cell which contains a VLOOKUP formula or any formula and then you paste here as formulas, it will paste only the formulas. It will not copy the number formatting, it will not copy anything from that cell. Only copies the formula and paste the formula in the destination cell. With respect to formula and number formatting, it copies formula and the number formatting alone. It's not the cell formatting, it is the number formatting. So if you have given date format to a specific cell, it will copy the formula and the date format and paste in the destination cell. It will not use the bold or italics you have given in the cell. So that is it. And keep source formatting is similar to paste. It pastes everything with the source formatting. No borders will paste everything without the borders if you have any. So here I have a border here, this will not get pasted if I paste without borders. And the keep source column width will copy the content and paste it in the destination cell, and also the column width of the source cell. So if I copy it from here and paste the well, I'll just give you an example. If I copy this and go to this cell and go to home, paste keep source column width, it will automatically increase the column width to the source cells width and also paste the content with the formatting. So it pastes everything along with the column width also. And transpose will rotate the rows to columns and vice versa. So if I have 3 rows and 2 column data, if I copy and paste it as a transpose, it will be 2 rows and a 3 column data. Well, this is not the right place. Let me see. 2 rows and 3 column data. So this is how it will get pasted. So it is just a transposing, rotating of the table, right? So these are the options available under the paste heading, and you have something called as values heading where you will paste only the values, that is the result of the source cell. Say my cell contains a result from where I have used VLOOKUP or something, very complicated formulas, and I want that result to be permanent. I cannot change the source, or I will keep on changing the other files where I have looked up from. So I want this final results to be permanent, so I will just copy and paste it as values in the nearest cell, so that even if the formula's value changes, the first result I got will not change. So the paste only values will paste only the value, no formatting, nothing. And values with the number formatting will paste the values and the number formatting alone, which is like a general format, text format, date format, etc. And value and source formatting will copy entire thing and paste it as values including the formatting for the cell, right? And there are other pasting options, that is you can just copy and paste format alone. You will not look into formulas, you will not look into results, you will not look into anything. You just copy the format and paste the formatting, that's it. And paste link will just give the link to the source cell. So if I copy here A6 and paste link here, this C9 will refer to A6, something like this. This is called as pasting link, pasting as link. And then picture will copy and paste the cell as a picture, and linked picture will be obviously linked to the cell. So if any changes as being made in the cell's value, it will automatically update the picture also. Say I just copy this and go to the option paste other paste options, linked picture, right? So you see this has been pasted as a picture, and this can be moved, resized, or whatever you want to do you can do with the picture. And you have some picture formatting options also with this, so you can just fade away the things or create a border like this. So this is a very small subject, right? So something you have the picture effects also to be given here, so I will just keep this one and manage this one. So you see linked picture here. So if I change it to linked pictures, this picture will also get updated because this is linked to the source cell. So this is the linked pictures option, pasting option. So these are all the general options available in home tab, and you have something called as paste special. If you copy a cell and you don't want anything of this to be used, you will be seeing an option called paste special at the end. Also there is a shortcut key for the paste special option, that is Control Alt V. So once you copy the cell, Control C, you instead of giving Control V, you just have to give Control Alt V. This will open the paste special dialog box, something like this. So these are all the various types of paste special available. Most of this has covered in the general pasting option itself. So all means it's paste everything. Formulas will paste only the formulas, values will paste only the values, formats will paste only the formats. These four are already available out there, and the comments and notes will paste only the comments or the notes, that is in Microsoft 365 version, in the destination cell. It only copies the comments from the source cell and paste it in the destination cell. No values or formulas or formats, nothing will be copied except for the comments. And this validation will copy any data validation you have entered in the source cell and paste it in the destination cell. Only the validation part, not the results or not the values you type in. And all using source team is similar to all, it pastes everything except if it is the source team of the source file is different. Generally we won't change the team in Microsoft Excel, so this is absolutely useless. But if you have some other file where the team is different, you have to use this option so that you will be using the same theme here also, right? And all except border is similar to the no borders one, and the column width will paste only the column width. In the general options I had a thing called keep source column width. This copies the entire content with the formatting and paste also the column width, but this one will paste only the column width and does not take the values or anything else. And this for formulas and number formatting, values and number formatting were seen in the general part itself. And you have certain operations that could be performed if you copy and paste a numerical value. So if the destination cell and the source cell contains a numerical value, you can perform operations on it. So operations or general mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this performs operations in the following order: destination cell, operating key, source cell. So if I click add, the destination cell plus source cell. If I click subtract, it is destination minus source. If I put multiply, destination divided by source, and if I put divide, destination divided by source. So you have to be having control over this. Destination will be taken as the numerator if you choose divide, and source file will be taken as the denominator in the when the operation is performed. So this has to be kept in mind when you use the operations part. And this transpose will again paste the things with in transpose as we saw earlier, but this will be very effective when you use it with values. So if you copy and paste with formulas as a transpose, it will give you some other values because the formulas will be pasted and the references will be based on that. So it is not actually advisable to use it using formulas. So use just select this values and the transpose so that everything is correct. And the skip blanks will skip the blanks while pasting. When you copy a list of names where there are blanks, you can just paste after the skip blanks box is checked, so that you will not get any blanks in between. And the paste link is similar to this one. Paste link, it just gives the link to the source cell. So these are all the various pasting options available in Microsoft Excel. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ping me through the comment and I will revert at the earliest possible. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and get Excellified. Thank you.